Hi guys, welcome back on this channel. So this is Be Natural Space. So for my OGs, you're welcome, and for the newbies, this is S Space, where you learn different hairstyles. And here we are going to do what is called mini twist with our synthetic extension. So this is darling, we want to see how this extension will come out. So as you are also be curious of the outcome, likewise also we are curious of the outcome. So here we added hot water to the extension so that it can give us that natural look we want. So after adding hot water to the hair, make sure the hot water penetrates very well into the hair. Then we dry it a bit so that the water will not touch or harm your client or whosoever wants to make the hair. Here our extension is ready, so we'll place the towel on our client's hair and we divided the hair into two. And what am I missing? We cut the extension into two also. Hold the extension into two, then parted the hair. So follow me as we drive into the video. So make sure your pattern should be center pattern. We make sure that the line falls to the center. Reason being that in case you want to style or you want to do anything, the center is centering. It's not by the side. That aside, you can do any style you want to, but for this video we have to cut it to the center so it can come out well. So yeah, the back, you can see from the back I've parted the back, then comb with my comb, and then divide that back. I divided that back into three. Can you see? 1, 2 and 3. Then we are good to go. Then here we pick the extension just a little. Can you see what I cut out? Just a little. Can you see? This is what I use, a little. If you don't want to do like a big kinky, a natural kinky, this is the size you should cut for this hair, and you braid the hair tightly at the roots, then twist. I think at this point you should know what is called twist. Once you braid the hair tightly from the root, then twist. So here we are at the second stage. That's the second line. The same thing. Once you part the first one 3, the next one 5, the next one 7, then you're good to go. Wow, finally we are done with this hair. And look at the hair. How many hours did the hair take? It took us, let's say, close to 6 to 7 hours to get this hair done. So if you're like me that doesn't like to sit for long, please don't make the style, because your butt is gonna pain and your legs also is going to hurt. Your legs are gonna hurt you. So it took us 7 hours to finish this hair, but let me tell you, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Look at how beautiful the hair came out. Very nice and super light. Darling, I give you a kiss. So the hair is super beautiful, and yeah, I had to sheen the hair. We sheen the hair, sheen so that the hair can be looking, that can look shine a bit shinish. Anyhow, shall understand what I'm saying. Then I use my hand to comb through the hair. Can you see I'm parting the hair so you can see how the hair is? Can you see each line? You know, when you come to my video, or you've come across my video, you always see me emphasizing on the lines. I know what I'm saying, because once your lines are not lining, it's very difficult for you to style the hair. It's very you just be limited with just maybe 2 styles. But once your line are lining very well, any style you want to do, you are good to go. So yeah, I'm packing the hair up. I'm just looking, I'm thinking, I'm just wondering, what should I do? How do I style this hair? Should I pack it up? Should I leave the back? Should I continue? Anyhow you want to do it, you do it. So I think we're good to go here. And the hair came out perfectly. So what's the difference between you putting this darling extension in hot water and you not putting it in hot water? Once you don't put it in hot water, the hair will come out puffy. But once it's in hot water, see the way it came out, it slips down. Can you see this beautiful hair? Are you gonna try this hairstyle? So let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this hairstyle. It's super nice, and we did not finish 2 packs, so we use 1.5, let's say 1.25 self. That is what we use. And finally we pack the hair up for place. Forget about the brightening, but this was the final result. And never took the light. Wow, the light is back. So can you see, this is the final result. I hope you love this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Love always from Be Natural Space. Bye.